It really wants to light them up. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh God, my airbags, everything. I'm getting codes. No, I feel like I'm in a Subaru.
Hey guys, so I recently purchased a custom tune from Brenspeed, and today I'm going to be comparing it to my SCT flash tune that isn't customized to my car and the mods, just kind of the parameters about the car. So it does say JLT intake. I can't change the exhaust or the tips or anything. I can't change timing, anything like that. So I ordered my custom tune from Brenspeed like 2 days ago. They got it to me yesterday, so extremely fast shipping and creation of it. So I'm really looking forward to throwing it on today and comparing it to the Flash SCT tune, which has done me very well in the past against Devin and Gavin's Corvette. And Gavin's Corvette is making 465 horsepower. So if I can hold my own against that car, which is way lighter than mine and way faster, I'm assuming, then Marilyn must be a lot faster than I thought she was. But like I said, the SCT flash tune is honestly incredible. When I put it on the car before any of the modifications came on, it opened it up so much, and I was very impressed by it. So I'm kind of excited to see if there's any noticeable or major differences or none at all with the Brenspeed tune. So I'm gonna go throw it in the car and let's go check it out.
Alright guys, so I don't have that much gas. I haven't even started the car yet. I just installed the tune. Now I'm just sitting in here. So I'm gonna start it up right now, and let's see what it sounds like, if any difference at all. Ooh, it's got a lot higher idle. Way higher idle. It's throwing a code, but it usually does after it retunes, so oh boy. That's alright, she's gotta warm up. Oh, she's going back down to 900 now. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let this warm up, and then I'm going to take her out to get some gas, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll just see how it goes from there. Okay guys, we are going to hit the road. Oil temp's still a little low, but it's alright. Alright. Whoa. Alright, this is getting ridiculous, guys. Alright. Let's get some gas. Oh wow, so it just wants to light the tires up, guys. Wow. Alright guys, just sitting in this and being in that second gear at 30, I can feel the huge difference. It wouldn't pull that low, and it wouldn't pull at 30 in second. I don't have words right now. This is just incredible. Oof. If there wasn't traffic in front of me right now, guys, this would be a different story. All right, now let's try this again. So second gear, about 15. Okay, that didn't do that before. That's incredible. Holy shit, guys. This is... Uh-oh, that's not good. Whoa, advanced track service? Uh-oh. Oh God, my airbags, everything. I'm getting codes. No, I feel like I'm in a Subaru. Shit. Alright, we're gonna make this, we're gonna go home. We're not gonna go to this gas station, they're too expensive. There's a gas station I wanted to go to, but we're throwing codes right now, and I don't really want to be driving with all these codes being thrown. So we're gonna get going. Maybe we'll gun it down this back road with all the, oh, maybe because I'm lighting the tires up. Oh, all my codes are gone. Huh. I don't know. Okay, now my drive mode's not selectable. Okay. Well, something felt weird when I pulled right there. It felt like it wasn't getting power. Huh. That's really fucking weird. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's having any problems. It's not like doing anything wrong. It's downshifting by itself, which I like. I don't have to blip it. Huh. But it's throwing a bunch of code, so we're gonna go back to the house, bring the tuner back out, and see what's going on. Alright, so my ABS, I got a check engine light, and my airbags aren't working right now. So now I'm a little afraid. Now this lady's gonna walk, I know it. Yep. Alright, well I'm gonna floor it and see what happens. That shuts the ABS off, I don't know why. Maybe I just have to floor it forever now. That's fine with me. Now it's feeling a little... It feels like it's heat soaked and it's running really, really hot. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. Not really sure what happened there. I just emailed them. I just emailed Brenspeed to talk to them about what happened or what might be the issue, or if they can write me another tune to fix the issue. But for right now, Maryland's out of commission. It literally threw every code in the book at me, so that was pretty funny. I have no power steering, I have no ABS, no hill start. It's idling at like 400 right now, which is, I don't even know why. My idle was set to 900, their idle was set to like 1,000 or 1,200. So it's a little weird, and I don't really know what's going on. So she's gonna sit here for a while. I might pull her into the garage because she still starts and moves kind of, but it's not good right now. So I'm gonna wait for them to get back to me, and I'm sure they're gonna be more than helpful. I've heard nothing but good things about these tunes, so I'm sure it's just a technical issue and it's nothing. So we're gonna get to the bottom of it. We'll have a part 2 on this, and then guys, we're gonna end it here. So just be sure to check out my other videos, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.